Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, in this video you will learn in detail about the explode tool that are available in AutoCAD in the modify category of tools. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more such informative videos. And also you can learn the AutoCAD from basics by watching the videos that I have uploaded in this channel. So the explode tools in AutoCAD is used if you want to explode an object to different segments. Let uh, let us to understand the explode tool with the help of example. So if I want to draw a polyline, this much this. So as you can see, I have drawn a polyline. This is an object and I have made it with the polyline tool. So if I want to delete only this segment from here to here, or to select delete this segment from here to here, and I want to select it. So when I click on this object, so the different all of the segments in the object has been selected. And if I want to delete, so all the segments of the objects will be deleted. But I am interested to only delete this segment or this segment, so it is not deleting or separately selecting. So all these segments in this object are acting as a single object. All the segments. If I click on only one, so all the object has been selected. So in order to separate all these segments from each other, so we will be using the special command or tool which is named as the explode tool. So the explode tools is lying in the modify category of tool. So to play with any tools that are available in the modify, so we will have to first select the object. So this is the explode tool. So first we have to select the object, and now we will click on the explode tool. So when we click, so now the object has been exploded to different segments. As you can see, if I want to select this, so only this segments will be selected. And if I want to select this, so only this segment will be selected. If I want to select this, so only this segment will be selected. And if I want to select this portion or segment of the object, so only this has been selected. So this is the power of the explode tool, which explodes the object to different portions. So now if I want to delete only this segment, so I will select and then we'll click on delete. So only this segment has been deleted. Now if I want to select this one, so I will select to delete this one, so I will first select and then we'll click on delete. So only here the portion has been deleted without deleting the other portions or segments of the object. So this was all about. Now to explain with the help of another example. So you want to draw a rectangle. So first we will select this object to be deleted, and to understand the example, the explode tool with the help of another example. So if I want to draw a rectangle, so now this is a rectangle, Now you can see if I click here, so all of the objects will be selected. Now but if I click on make it explode, so now it has been selected. I want to click on the explode tool. So now you can see, now you can delete all the desired segments of the rectangle depending on the requirements and your interest. So this is what the power of AutoCAD, the power of explode tool in AutoCAD. So now if you have any question in the explode tool, you can ask in the comment section, and thank you for watching this video.